Watch this through to the end, because I'll show what dealers charge to diagnose and fix this, and how to save money with other options. If your 2020 Toyota Hybrid keeps flashing water pump codes or runs hot, this is for you. Most owners see a check engine light with no obvious drivability issue. Common codes are P26CB71, P26CA14, and P26CA31, pointing to the electric engine water pump or its control circuit. It affects 2020 models with the A25A FKS or A25A FXS engines across these Toyotas. Dealers confirm codes, check power and ground, and often replace the pump if the circuit checks out. Some cars overheat within minutes, temp spikes and the fans surge. The engine can drop into limp mode to protect itself. Once the pump is replaced and the system bled, temps usually return to normal. Others find coolant dripping near the electric water pump or its connector. Leaking coolant can contaminate the connector and trigger circuit faults. The fix: replace the pump and seals, repair the harness if needed, and refill and bleed. This is Toyota Tech Tip TTT 061420, also listed by NHTSA as Communication 1.176.705. It's a dealer tech tip, not a safety recall. It guides diagnosis, but doesn't guarantee a free repair out of warranty. It states some 2020 A25A engines can set those DTCs and may leak from the electric water pump. Toyota saw enough cases to standardize the approach, so it's a known pattern, even if it's not a recall. These cars use an electric pump. The ECM commands speed and expects a feedback signal. P26CB71 means the pump isn't changing speed as commanded. P26CA14 flags are short to ground or open in the control circuit or inside the pump. P26CA31 is no signal, often wiring, power, ground loss, or internal failure. Dealers are told to open a TAS case before repairs, so Toyota can track the pattern and confirm the path. Process: confirm the codes, check fuses, verify power and ground at the pump, and inspect the harness. Pressure test the cooling system to spot leaks at the pump housing or connector. Most cases end with a new electric pump, fresh seal, any connector repair, code clear, and a proper bleed. Owners report sudden overheating, coolant smells, recurring P26CA, P26CB codes, and limp mode. DIY fixes include a new OEM pump, repairing broken wiring, or replacing a blown EFI main fuse, then bleeding the system. Dealer pricing usually lands between $650 and $1,200 for diagnosis and pump replacement. Independent shops often come in at $450 to $850, depending on parts and bleeding complexity. If it's just wiring or a fuse, it can be much cheaper, but most confirmed cases need a new pump. If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop your experience below so others can benefit.